Welcome. Now you can see Tata Motors share news today. Actually, global brokerage firm UBS has downgraded the stock so that it has gone down almost 20% from the peak. Now we will see the breakdown targets, whether it will go breakout or breakdown. Tata Motors share now it is just above my stop loss hunting bull line. It means there will be some positive bounce back from the stop loss hunting bull, but it will be roaming around that line. You can see it is going down below the bull line and going above, like that it will be roaming. And if Tata Motors share breaks down from the stop loss hunting bull line, it may target strong demand zone at 966. Below further breakdown, Tata Motors share, it may come down to demand zone 1. Again, if there is a breakdown, it may come down to demand zone 2. It will be better if you make an entry at demand zone, nearby demand zones only. If there's a bounce back, that I will explain later on. Again, if you see what will be the targets that we will know now, please subscribe and like without fail. I'm not compelling you, but when you come back again to refer my levels, definitely you'll come back. At that time, please subscribe and like. And this is based on supply and demand, no noise, 94% success rate. If you want to know about more about supply and demand, go to my playlist. Disclaimer, I'm not a SEBI registered share market consultant. This is purely for educational purpose only. You can know the benefits. How to enter that I will tell at the end of the video. It should Tata Motor share price if there's a reversal line there, gives a breakout with a one-day close, it may target the gap line at 1032. At that time, you can consider for entry if it gives a breakout above the reversal line. Then once the gap line is achieved, again there's a strong supply zone and supply zone 1 is there. So from there again there will be some kind of supply selling pressure there. Again if there's a breakout above the supply zone with big candle and strong volume, that downward trend line which got broken, it is there. Stop loss hunting bear line is there. Again downward trending one day trend line is there. So this zone will be lot of sell orders will be there. Trend line sell orders, bear line hunting sell orders, and downward slope trend line sell orders will be there. So already there's a supply zone sell orders. So it will be very difficult. Only a gap up for 3 to 4% breakout above the supply zone will make the Tata Motors shares price to go above. Then above, if you see it may go and touch the all-time high, and the next target will be, if at all it goes above the all-time high, it will be around 1252. But only if there's a strong breakout above the supply zone 1 with strong volume and big candle, then only you can make an entry. So entry is like that. Depends on entry how you have to take. I will explain now. You can see this is the Paytm share I released on shorts 31st August. You can see at my demand zone 1 for 2-3 days it took support. Then finally with formed with a big candle and strong volume. You can see next day it came, same day it came down at my heavy supply zone. Next day it went above, gave a gap up, and from supply zone 1 it came down. Till now it has not recovered. It has not gone above the supply zone 1. So like this only you have to make entry at demand zones. Entry about the supply zones, it should be good volume with strong candle, and at least it should sustain for 1 or 4 hours candle.